Hello everyone, welcome to this video. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to edit a PDF document or a PDF file using Canva. My name is Miriam Eju. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, Canva gives you the opportunity to be able to download or to be able to edit your PDF document without having to change the format. Most times when you try to edit a PDF document, it just changes the format. So with Canva, this feature helps you to edit this document without having to tamper with the format. Now, what you're going to do is you can just, there are two ways to upload your PDF documents. Like I have a PDF document here that has been downloaded from Google. So what you want to do, you can just click and drag your document into the Canva folder and you can see something like here. You can view the documents. You can actually see that the document is trying to upload to Canva, or you can click on the create design. Click on create design. You go down and you can see upload file. You click on upload file, then you search for the document. You can see my download and you click on the document and you upload. You can see the document is actually uploading here. So when the document is done uploading, you will just click on it. Just click on it to open the document. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to open the downloaded document so that we can compare this document side by side as I edit the document. So let's do this. Let me open it. So as you can see here, this is our downloaded document that was downloaded from Google. This is how it looks like. Now this is the document that we want to edit here on Canva. So this document is looking too small. What you do, you can just come here to increase the size so that you can see what you're actually working on. This is how it looks like now we've increased the size. So when you click on it, you can see here that you can edit this document without tempering or scattering anything. So let's edit here. We want to make it, instead of 2019, we want to make it 2023. And we also want to bold it. Then you click on it and you bold it. You can see you can type in whatever you want to type. You can edit it. And you want to, let's say you want to replace this image. You want to change this image to your picture or to something else. You can either delete this picture or replace it. Now we've deleted this picture and I want to upload a picture of myself since I'm the one, like you are the one that wrote this document. You come here, you click on upload. When you click on upload, you can either upload a file from your desktop or you can choose a file that has already been downloaded. Now, before you do that, come back here, you go to elements. I want to put the picture in a frame. I just want it to be on a frame. Then when you go to elements, you scroll down. You can see there are different frames here. There are different frames here. So I want to use this circle frame. You can click on the circle frame and you drag it to this space. I just want to put my picture here so that you can see that you can actually edit a PDF file. This is my picture. Then you go to your upload. Like I earlier said, when you're uploading a document, you can click on this upload or use an already existing file that is on this Canva. So I want to use an existing file. Let's go down. I want to use this picture. Then you click on this picture. When you're on this picture, you drag it. Now you can see the picture is not properly set. What you do, you double click on it and you adjust it. When you adjust it, so this is how it looks like. I want to make this thing bold. You can make it bold and also increase the size, centralize it, or you can take it to the middle. Then look at how it looks like. So when you are done, you want to download this document. We've been able to edit it. Now there's something I want to also mention. You can actually delete a particular page. Let's say you don't like this particular page. You can just click on it and you click on this delete button. You can see the page has been deleted. Click on it, you delete. If you want to add a new page, you can go down and you add a new page. You can see add a new page here and you type in whatever you want to type. Let's say you want to put conclusion here. When you add a new page, you go to text and you add maybe a subheading or a body. Let's say you want to add a body and you just put your conclusion. Type in your conclusion. You can see, take it, you bold it, whatever you want to do. You can actually edit a PDF document. So you are done. We are done editing this PDF document. So we want to download it. So when you want to download, you go to this share button here, you click on share and you scroll down, you click on download. And you can see what we are seeing here is PNG. We don't want this document to be in PNG. We want it to be on a PDF document. So you can go and you select, you can see we have PDF standard, we choose PNG, but we want to use it as a PDF print. You can just click on the PDF print and you click on download. So our document is downloading. So that's the document here. It has downloaded. So we want to compare this document. Let me open it so that we can compare it with the previous document that was downloaded from Google. So this is how this our document now looks like. You can see there's a change here. So let's see the one that was downloaded from Google. So this is how it also looks like. You can see there's a difference. This is what we downloaded, and this is what we've been able to edit without tampering with the format. These documents look nice and it's looking okay, just like this. This is how it looks like. So thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.